Hey guys, Kenny Game here. Welcome back to the video. Today I'm currently on the bus here with Ethan.
Yo, I'm on his other phone playing. I'm watching some of his videos. On YouTube.
I only got 3 subscribers, maybe 2. I don't know.
3.
3, yeah.
Yeah, he has 3.
3 subscribers.
Oh
my! Jeez, oh, that's loud.
That was loud.
Right?
The Boge.
The Boge. How about to say the blog? I don't know how to spell blog.
What?
I don't know how to spell blog.
Yeah.
Talking to the world with your own devices.
Yeah, I'll let you do your talking and I'll have it a low volume.
So, what's your spell? Oh, hi Pidgey.
I'm on his Doge. You should have wrote the Doge.
Yeah, I didn't know how to spell Doge.
Or blog, whatever. Blog. Yeah, you have 3 subs.
But
this was your 2nd video.
Yep.
And then it was Butterfree, and it was Pokemon Go 1 check. Part 1, check the description, guess who.
And guess who? And a block party.
Yeah.
I've done tons of videos.
Yeah.
With no subscribers. I got a Dratini. I've got the Dratini. It's a Dratini!
Okay, I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna watch the new video. So you guys check this channel, the new video, the show flip part 1. You wrote show on accident. Oh god! Where? I left your phone. Your phone. If you watch the new video part shoe flip part 1,
well,
headphone warning.
Yes, headphone warning.
On tile. That was an example. That's actually one of the things we're actually doing. We're gonna go like this.
Rattata. There's always Rattata down here.
That's a what?
A Rattata. Oh, there was a Rattata.
Yeah, Pokemon.
I play Pokemon Go every day. I play Pokemon Go. When I wake up, I'm grabbing my phone. And I've got it catching.
There's no Pokemon in there.
Oh, there is? Yeah, there is. If there's all these, that is.
That's all you're.
So for a second, I thought I saw a Dratini. Maybe. Well, my Dratini. Hey, 2 Pokeballs. Now, let's have it in the middle of the screen. Yeah, I'll just have it covering up that gym over there.
No, I wasn't gonna get that one away because that's purple. Purple's too legendary. But
yeah. Let's play Pokemon. I'm recording at like, it feels like 2 in the morning, but it's 7:02. Feels like I'm recording at 2 in the morning, but it's really 7 o'clock.
Pink sheep.
Please excuse that, guys. You know what? I'm gonna turn off face cam. There we go.
Pokemon Go. I never subscribed to them.
There's always a Weedle. Dun, dun, dun. Ring, 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 bling.
A while ago.
That was a while ago. Or is that yours? Oh. What? Alright, let's take it in you.
Mr. P.
Hey Ethan, remember this? Teacher, what? I'm from China.
Yeah. I made that. Okay, that's true. Collaboration. This guy's loud. If you watch this guy's videos, they're so loud. He's an intro.
Oh my god. What is that kid's problem?
No, this is the hacked one. See, it has all those in the joystick.
I know, but what is that kid's problem? Jeez, he's loud.
This is the only video when he's like.
Should I catch Nidoran or Eradicate?
Whatever one. Do Eradicate or Nidoran. No. Just it's your video.
Okay, so there it is.
That's the only one he's loud in. 50 subs.
Nidoran.
I want to watch one with his intro.
Alright, I'm catching Nidoran. He's stronger.
This is my intro. He made it for me. Oh, yeah. I'll restart it.
That's weird. Tough one.
He hit 237 subscribers.
Oh my god.
The last time I saw him, he had 50. See? 50 subs. And that was a month ago. Oh. Okay, I'm going. Voice change though. Voice change though. Look how much Pokemon he has.
Oh my jeez, though.
He has Snorlax and Venusaur.
Yeah.
He changed his voice.
You know what?
I'm gonna find his one with his intro.
I'm gonna get the GPS hack.
Yeah, see if it can work. Yeah, so you're showing YouTube how to get it.
Yeah. Okay, first you
Search Fly GPS.
fly GPS. And then you, I think it's this one right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's not. Go back. It's the one with Japanese writing. It's all the way at the top. Yep, it's the one at the top.
It's this one?
I think. Yeah.
Okay. This is it.
This is his intro. I know. That's not the buffer.
I don't know how he does that.
I don't know how he makes them, but I know how he put them on. Cause, oh jeez, this is when he was little, like he was squeaky. Oh, there's my other one.
Then you go into fake GPS 3.
Then you please just sit back, and then enable. Sit back, go back, and enable mock rotations. And accept.
Okay.
And then you scroll down until to find
Knock location not.
fake GPS free.
And
Then you have to try to find allow mock locations.
alright, let's find this.
You didn't edit it.
Excuse me.
Oh, hi, Kyle.
Hey, Kyle.
Ah, it's stuck.
I'm moving my backpack.
He edited this? What?
Okay.
It's not in the description. I didn't edit it.
Where are my mock locations? Where? I can't find it.
If you can't find it, just go to here.
Don't want to hear it, don't care.
If you can't find it, then just turn on Wi-Fi scan logging and allow Wi-Fi going. And then it should work. See?
Alright.
Now it's worked, and I'll just click on just a random spot.
Sure, that's the
set.
one?
Double tap the map tab. Right? Yep. And then you go here, click it.
Are you sure that's the right one?
No. Oh, sorry guys.
Can't believe you got me the wrong one. Dude, uninstall it.
Yeah, well. So you don't get that one. And maybe I removed it. Maybe this might be it. I don't know. There's a bunch of ways, or you could just get the normal packed one.
Oh, that's a guy.
What?
Nothing.
Mushroom.
Thank you. Guys. I can't find it. Blah, blah, blah. Let's try this. Ethan, I found it.
Okay.
Yes, installed this.
What's the rating?
Rating.
3.1. Okay.
Works well. Okay. That's not bad.
Yeah, this is. I put the intro in. Then, is the Pokemon Go one installing?
Yeah.
Shut up, nobody cares. I don't care about that. I already seen my videos. I want to watch my notes. Oh, that song brings back memories.
Use location. Set location. Turn location. Start.
You should have used it. Set location. Set location. Set location.
Okay, here you go.
Hey Kyle, random forest.
Raise random. Actually, no, just get current location. Get current location, and then click back. Then click back arrow.
That was rude.
Well, I guess I'm don't care and don't want to hear it.
See, now it's there. Go here, Pokemon. Go. I play Pokemon Go. This is already a 20-minute long video. Well, we failed a couple times, but now I think we found it.
Yes.
Maybe. If it doesn't work, then that sucks. Or if it says fail to detect the location.
Yeah, I really.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Are you singing the hop on the horse thing?
Oh, hop, hop, hop like a bunny, dude.
Oh god, no!
Alright. Oh, that song's so stupid.
Well, it's loading. Just let the game load. It usually takes a while. Hop up like a bunny.
Dude, I thought we gave up on that stupid song.
Alright, it's stuck in my head now. Okay, so.
Thanks to Luke.
So while the game loads, he's gonna talk.
Yep.
Now I'm gonna change it to running or walking or fast speed walking. And a hop, 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 hop. See if it works. Oh, dude, there's a hit mark.
It won't work.
Because it's trying to load.
It doesn't work.
Yes, it does. You're putting it in one direction.
It doesn't work.
Why doesn't it work?
I don't know.
Maybe because you have your location. Maybe because you don't have mock location. Well, that was a fail.
Yeah, let's check out mock locations. Let's see how he's going down. Mock location. Settings. Yeah, cool. Yeah, heading here. Turn that off. Oh my god, it failed.
Because you have no location.
Just turn it back on. Okay, so this one was a fail. Let's get rid of that stupid app. Get rid of this stupid app.
Why didn't it work? No!
Right? Yeah.
I'm just playing Pokemon. So let's check on that 10K. Ah, it's not even done. It's gonna take so long. Well, that was a fail.
Huge.
Pidgeys for days. Well, peace out with the fail.
It's a fail.
Yeah.
Peace out.